How to get dark theme for PC on YouTube. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn on the dark theme for your YouTube in your PC. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. So start by opening any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in www.youtube.com. Now, if you would like to turn this on to a dark theme like mine, all you have to do is tap onto your initial on your top right, then scroll below and here you will see Appearance. It is toggled on to Device Theme. Tap Open it and make sure it's toggled on to Dark Theme. Refresh your page and once you do so, even if your device's theme is white, by default, it will still display your YouTube in dark theme. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.